Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with Boot Up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make something, a hidden sprite appear in the screen. In particular, I'm going to make it so that something flies across the screen when I click on the sky. So let me add in a new sprite. And I'm going to go with the flying cat. So I click on it and I say, okay. And I have a flying cat, but it's a little too big for me. So under the set size, I'm going to say, I don't know, 55. Double click. Perfect. Okay, so what I want to happen is I want our flying cat to start up here and fly across the screen, and then he's going to hide. And when I want him to do that is whenever I click on this. So let me start with the very beginning. So we're going to make him hide at whenever somebody starts the program. So when they open it up and they press the green flag, our cat will go away. Then what I want to happen is I want him to eventually show up when you click on this, and he's going to start right here. So wherever you move him, it changes this coordinate, that position. So I want him to start here. And then I want him to go all the way to here. Now, instead of using another go-to block, I'm actually going to use another kind of block that's called a glide block. So this is going to make him start on the left and then go to there. So let me double click this so you can see what it does. Cool, pretty good. So I'm going to add in a sound, so that way when he flies across the screen, it's got some kind of a sound. Let's see, do they have an effect? I think this one is a good one. Okay, I like that one. So I'm going to click OK. And it's called motorcycle passing, so sound. I want it to do this once right before it starts moving. Oh, and I forgot one thing. At the end of this, when it gets to the end, I want it to hide. So I'm going to double click and see if this code works. Okay, it did, except our sound is still going. So let's try maybe 4 seconds. Cool, that works. Okay, so now we need to actually make a message. And in this message, it's going to make it so that we can click on this sprite, and then it'll make this other sprite do this code right here. So under our events, we're going to say, when I receive a message, and we'll call this message like sky clicked, something like that. And we say, okay. So when we receive sky clicked, it's going to do what we just did. Now, the only thing that we have to do is just simply broadcast a message to make it do this. So we just go back to our sky and we say, hey, whenever I click this, change the color and broadcast sky clicked. So let's make this big screen. So when I click on here, it changes the color and it broadcasts that message. Awesome. So we made a hidden sprite in our no touching project. So go ahead and see what other kind of hidden sprites you can make in your project.